Okay, this is a quick demonstration on how Air Ductors cleans dryer vents. What Jake has is a 40-foot snake, and at the end has a skipper ball that spins, and it blows air out the back. Go ahead and let What we do is we'll start outside. This line's about 25 feet long. We'll start outside and run it slowly all the way to the back of the dryer and bring it back and forth. Let's see what we get. Usually we'd have a shop vac so we don't make a mess on the back patio, but we wanted you guys to see what was coming out. As usual, lots of big clumps of hair and lots of dryer length. This dryer should run much more efficiently.